Hey guys! Today we are recording a video with Adventure Flix. And I'm recording a video with Frank Jose. Guys, I am so happy right now. Thank you for all the support. We have just hit 70 subscribers. What the hell? We're like rocking it right now. You guys are sick. I reached 150 subscribers. Reached 70 subscribers. It's been a while since we played Beast Wars, guys, and I'm happy to get back into it. I'm gonna start playing this. Oh my god, I forgot how everything works. It's okay. Oh wait, I still have gifted fuzzy and like gummy bears. I am getting a phenomenal amount of views right now. The celebration video I made, it has 17 views in 20 hours. That's oh, I don't. Well, we don't have as much views as Video Subs. Oh my god, I still have 320 right now. Yeah, guys, today there will be a Minecraft video. Don't worry. There will be a Minecraft video. Don't worry, guys. It's been a while, hasn't it? Wait, let me check on mine. Oh my god. I have 50 royal gems and a golden egg. Oh my god, quests! I need to do double trouble. Actually, I'm not doing that level sway away, which is the final quest for the first hero. I'm actually not doing that sway away because all I've done is done 10 master fighting. That's the only thing I've done in sway away. Oh no, bro, I have to do stump fields. I hate stump fields. Oh, enzymes. Wait, I think I'm pretty sure I have enough enzymes. Yes, I'm 25. Let's only get the one because it's like the hardest part. Maybe it's oh, good job. Speed up for 4 seconds, yes, please. After this video, there will be a Minecraft video. Because everyone likes Minecraft. Am I right? Yeah, who doesn't like? Wait, guys, go into his description and say we need more realm videos. No. Yes. No. We need more realm videos. Realm is like, is good, but I don't play that much. Which? I would like. What the hell is in the shop? Oh, no. No packs, but basically the same stuff. Not really much has changed. I thought I was in need of downloading a MP3 because I thought I could make something. Okay, I'm not doing good in Stumpfield right now. I only have 6 million. Stumpfield is wait, you have the stumps now, right? Yeah, I put it once, but only once. I've only filled the Stumpfield once. Wait, how much of my stumps stay? Mine is on 29.6 million. Mine is on 29.9 million. But you just killed it. I mean, like a year ago you killed it. When I'm at school, I just AFK at the start of the field, and so I don't get picked, I auto-click. I'm getting exposed. I'm getting auto-click. I only auto-click when I have to go AFK. No, not true. When have you seen me AFK? Try dodge bridging. Oh my god! Okay, I'm playing that part. Who just called you? My friend. But I'm playing that part out, guys. Okay, we're back. Just stay a little interruption. Yeah, my friend also just messaged me and I told him I'm making a video right now, but to oh yeah, cool. I thought about it. I'm not even in the booth. I'm still waiting for the die. Oh, Tunnel Bear. I've already done my Tunnel Bear. Oh yeah, King Beetle. Yeah, King Beetle. He only has actually fast. And yeah, King Beetle. Yeah. I swear, Blue Flower Field is going to be much better. Oh, hello, King Beetle. I miss you, old friend. I wish I could say I miss you. It's like I miss you. One way there. I got King Beetle anywhere. I would have. Oh, my old one is terrifically better. Wait, what amulets do I even have? You never had Diamond Amulet. My old amulet is terrific. What's your Ant Amulet? Also, yeah. I know, do I not want you to max? No. Okay. But turn it one block higher than it is right now. Done. Okay. Keep it like that for one. Okay. Oh my! Oh high pixel. I'm not good. I am low. I didn't even realize how low I was. I'm so used to Minecraft mods. Damn it! Oh, the Minecraft. Oh, the Minecraft. Wait, what? I said I want the Minecraft. I literally just said I want the Minecraft. What if I summon a meteor shower just as we're doing stick work? Come on, hurry up, please. Oh my gosh, I'm so. My honey bee isn't pointless. My honey bee quest like 168 seconds. I can't even find sleep. I mean, I can find full sleep. Oh my god, a car alarm just went off. Legit, car alarm just went off. A car alarm just went off outside. What if I purchase tickets at this place? I have to purchase tickets. I can't even buy 10 tickets. Oh, it's on zero. Does it work with them? No, it doesn't. Haha, they can't reach me up there. I just died. Woo! I'm literally. This is a. Oh. Yeah, hang on, everyone. Okay, I'm back, guys. Wait, where is he? I wonder if he is still here. Die, Stick. We're about to kill Stick, guys. Oh, I'm having some technical problems, but I'm not. Oh my god, they're all crowding around me. What the hell? Okay, this video is ending.
See you next time, guys. This is just an update. Well, yeah, bye. End it.